Problem solved. And here's the solution. Change your driver. Okay? This was a driver that we had before. This one right here. This one is called a DRV8825. Very noisy. This is the new driver that I replaced. Very sleek. Also has, of course, a bigger heatsink. Now the deal is that this driver is engineered differently, and it is quiet. As a matter of fact, it's so quiet that when your stepper motor is running, you don't even know it. Okay? There's the stepper motor. Completely quiet. The only sound that you hear right now is just a little bit of noise coming out of the speaker. If I unplug the speaker, it would be completely silent. Alright? But right now, I am so satisfied with the results, I cannot tell you what a difference it makes. And remember that this new driver here, which is called the TMC2225, available both on Amazon and you can get it on AliExpress, is about the same cost as this one. It's just much better engineering, okay? You can see, no noise. Here's how it runs when we activate it. Okay? Come on. Okay, did you hear that? Much quieter than it did before. Both on the clockwise and the counterclockwise direction. Alright? So there you go. Hey, and thank everybody for their comments. I hope this can help somebody out who's out there dealing with the same thing that I'm dealing with. Alright?
I'll be back.
Okay, take care.